Hey ladies, it is Victoria, and as you can already tell by the title, today I will be sharing with you guys how to get rid of dark spots in between your thighs or in your inner thighs. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Coming up next. Alright, so before we get started, I just wanted to give you guys a rundown of all of the ingredients we'll need, and that's water, baking soda, lemon, castor oil, Celtic sea salt, as well as coconut oil, Shea Moisture's Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub, and Ambi Fade Cream. Okay ladies, so our plan of attack is going to be to get rid of all of the dead skin, and we're going to do this by exfoliating. First with baking soda and lemon. I choose baking soda and lemon because baking soda is an abrasive and lemon is a skin brightener. Both together combined is strong enough to peel back an entire layer of skin. So just be careful when doing this. We're only going to do this 3 times a week for the first 2 weeks. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of baking soda and a tablespoon of lemon, which I already have poured into this cup. And just pour it into the solution and it should fizzle up just like so. Now, as I mentioned, baking soda is very strong because it's so basic. So we're only going to exfoliate with this for 5 minutes each time we exfoliate with this. And again, we're only going to do this for 3 days a week for the first 2 weeks. Our goal here is to get rid of the dead skin cells that are causing the dark spots. Now, what I'm showing you here, guys, is what the solution should look like, and I just want to show you too that the lemon is going to separate from the baking soda, so just continue to mix it as you apply it. And I forgot to mention, before I poured in the baking soda and the lemon, it was already 3 tablespoons of water in this container. Next up is castor oil. After you use the lemon baking soda solution on your skin, you want to follow up with castor oil. And the reason I choose castor oil is because it is rich, thick, and ultra moisturizing for the skin, as well as a skin protectant. So after you rinse off the lemon baking soda solution, make sure to use castor oil on that area. Now, every day for the next 2 weeks, you want to use Celtic sea salt. And I like the coarse Celtic sea salt, as well as lemon. And you want to pour this into a solution with 2 tablespoons of Celtic sea salt and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just like with the baking soda, we're going to be using this to exfoliate. Now, as I mentioned, the lemon here is going to be used as the skin brightener. And the reason I chose Celtic sea salt is because it is a great exfoliant. It is packed full of minerals. It should look like this. It is packed full of minerals, and therefore it will breathe new life into any dead skin cells that are left behind. And this is much more mild than the baking soda, so you can use this every day for the next 2 weeks. And you want to do this right before you shower. Coconut oil. I like to use unrefined virgin coconut oil, and you want to use this after you get out of the shower on the areas that you exfoliated. Now, if you have a coconut oil allergy, you can replace this with grapeseed oil or olive oil. Finally, for the next 2 weeks, you want to use Shea Moisture's Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub. It contains African black soap, bamboo charcoal, and tea tree oil. All of these ingredients are very detoxifying and soothing to the skin. You want to exfoliate with this for the next 2 weeks as well, every day. And then follow up with Ambi Fade Cream. This is a skin brightener, and again, you want to use this directly in the areas where you are exfoliating. This is my cat Sebastian. Get down, bud. I'm doing a video. And there you have it, ladies. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please, please, as usual, like and subscribe, and also be sure to turn on your notification bell and choose always so you can always be notified whenever I make a new video. Also, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast. I have lots of information on my Instagram page as well regarding hair and beauty tips, and you guys can also communicate with me there easier through sending me a direct message. So follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so I actually tested this on one of my friends, but she refused to be in the video. I don't know what it is with my friends, but they're like camera shy, or they just, I don't know, they just don't want to be in any of my videos. Like another one of my videos that I did when I went to lunch with my friend, she refused to be in the video. Like, I literally had to put a question mark over her head. So what I was gonna do is just call her on FaceTime and like force her to be in the video. But I think she's at work, and she'll see me put in the camera. Like, if I do that, she'll see the, let me just talk to her, see if she answers the phone first. Like, have her on FaceTime. Trying anyway.
Hello?
Hi, Tammy.
Hey.
So, what are you doing?
I'm at work.
I was calling to see how the dark spots were going.
Oh, it's going really good. It's actually almost gone.
Really?
Yeah.
Would you feel a little weird if you found out that you were on camera?
Really, Victoria?
Love you. Love you. You wouldn't do it. You wouldn't do it.
Of course I wouldn't do it. I'm at work. I don't know makeup.
It's okay. Love you. You're beautiful. Bye.
Whatever. Bye.